Hello everyone. If you're like me and everyone else, these prices have got you going crazy and you're wondering how you're going to feed your family, I've got a meal for you that is not only flavorful, southern comfort that is, but I'm making it for an under $10. So hang with me, I got you. So I'm using 2 cans of chicken. So in our bowl, I've got the chicken, I've drained it, and now I'm just going to kind of finely mix it up a little bit. Got to make sure you chop up those chunks in there. It has been a windy day. I swear you think that the weather's getting better outside and it's about summertime, and then good old Mother Nature slaps you in the face the next day with some cold weather. But that is what it's like to live in the South. Next, we are going to use cream of chicken soup. I'm going to put the whole 26-ounce can in here. Because, guys, I'm making enough so we will have leftovers this week. And that is definitely a way to penny pinch. Have some leftovers. So let's give this a good stir real quick. So as you're watching, put in the comments where you're watching from, what's your favorite kind of food. Make sure you get that chicken all in every little part of this because you want everybody to get some chicken. And it's already smelling good. Okay, so I've got half a cup of evaporated milk, and in that I am going to add my poultry seasoning because you know I want my chicken to taste chickeny. You can never have too much of that good old chickeny flavor, so I'm going to do about a tablespoon of chicken poultry. I'm just going to mix it in with the evaporated milk, give it a good stir, and try not to spill it all over myself, but it's not good if you don't make a mess, right? Next, I'm going to open up my veggies. I have made this before, but before it was a little bit more pricier. And I thought to myself, okay, with the way things are so pricey right now, we have to have a way to make this budget friendly for everybody. So I came up with this way, and I will put the prices of everything in the comments below and pin it to the top. So I got my veggies stirred in, and I was sure to drain it. I drained the chicken, and then we are going to pour in our evaporated milk. And we're going to give it a really good twist here. And just in case that wasn't chickeny flavor enough, I've got me a pack of chicken gravy mix, and we are just going to rip that baby open, and we're just going to pour it right in here too with a little southern charm and happiness. And we are going to give it a quick stir up in here, and it's already smelling like chicken. And this is, like I said, one of my favorite go-to southern comfort foods, and especially when it's a little chilly outside. And this is something you can make a big batch of really cheap and eat on it for a few days. So once that's all taken care of, I'm going to set this off to the side. Okay, so in another bowl, I am mixing this with the rest of my evaporated milk. You can use regular milk, but I'm going to use my evaporated milk. And we are going to use the rest of that can. Stir it up really good. I never ever bring enough mixing spoons over here. So I mixed it up as per the packet. It's going to have that little garlic flavor with it too. And we are going to get it all stirred up, and I'll be right back. So your dough should look like this. And then that's when you know it's really good. Okay, so I'm just going to spoon the dough on top, like so, making sure every inch gets a little bit of dough, and it will expand as you go. Also, tell me what your favorite comfort food is, or what you would love to see me make on a budget that your family loves, but the prices are so high right now. It's hard to budget that into your meals for the week, and I will do my best to turn it into a budget-friendly meal. I've got quite a few that I have made up for you guys already, so I hope you like them all. So this has, because it is the garlic bread, I didn't put the cheese. You could, but I just, like I said, follow the directions, and it smells so good. The garlic's just amazing. So I'm gonna put this in the oven at 375 for 25 to 35 minutes, and then we'll be back to taste that baby. Okay, the chicken is ready. It just came out of the oven. It is simmering and it is hot, and we are about to plate us up some. So let me get a plate. Okay, so we are just going to cut like so. Get us up some right here. I love to make noise when I'm doing stuff. If y'all have not noticed that yet, I'm just kidding. Okay, the perfect comfort food. Look at that steam. You might want to let it cool off a little bit before you take a bite, but I can't wait. Shut the front door, slap your husband, call your mama. Fast, easy, and cheap. Can't get no better than this. Yeah, that is delicious. Once again, thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time on Peach Meets Bama.